Good morning, students. Today we shall read the remaining part of chapter 3, the Selfish Giant, part 2. Okay, page number 22. Okay, serious. All day long they played, and in the evening they come to giants to beat him football. When the children return from school in the evening, they played in the garden, and after playing they came to the giant and visited. Okay, goodbye. But where is your little companion? He said, the boy I put into the tree. The giant asked the children, where is your little companion whom I took in my arm? Okay. The giant loved him to best because he had kissed him. The giant loved the little children. Why? Because the little child kissed him. Okay? We don't know answer the children. He has gone away. The children listened the question of giant, but the children didn't give any answer. Okay? They told, he has gone. You must tell him to be sure and come tomorrow. He said the giant. The giant said the children, so tomorrow you will sure tell the little boy to come to meet me. Okay? But the children said that they did not know where he lived and had never seen him before, and the giant felt very sad. When the children said to the giant, we have never seen the boy, and we also did not know where he lived. Okay? So after listening these answers, the giant became sad. Every afternoon when school was over, the children came and played with the giant. When the school over, all the children, okay, came in the garden of giant, and giant played with them also. Okay, but the little boy whom the giant loved was never seen again. But the boy whom the giant loved too much, he never saw again in the garden. The giant was very kind to all the children, yet he longed for his little friend and often spoke of him. Okay, the giant was very kind for the children. Okay, and he never see again the child in his garden. Okay, how I would like to see him, he used to say. He used to say to all the children, how it will be possible for me to meet the child whom I took in my arm. Okay? Years went by and the giant grew very old and feeble. Means day has passed. Okay? Many years have passed and the giant became old and feeble. Means weak. He could not play with about anymore, so he sat in a huge chair and watched the children at their games and admired his garden. The giant became very old, so it was not possible for him to play with the children. So he always sat in his armchair and looked the children playing. And he also admired his gardens. I have many beautiful flowers, he said, but the children are the most beautiful flowers of all. He said and in admire, I have many beautiful flowers, but the children are the most beautiful flower for me. Okay? One winter morning he looked out of his window as he was dressing. Means in the winter season, he get up early in the morning and saw outside of the window. He did not hate the winter now, for he knew that it was nearly the spring asleep and that the flowers were resting. And looking outside of the window, there was winter, so he was not hating. Again, he was thinking the spring will come and the flower has gone to sleep, they will come also. Means they will bloom after the winter. Suddenly he rubbed his eyes in wonder and looked. Suddenly, Miss early, when he got up early in the morning, he rubbed his eyes and became wonder to look outside. What happened? It certainly was a marvelous sight. In the farthest corner of the garden was a little tree quite covered with lovely white moon. He saw in the farthest of the garden, in the corner there was a small tree and which was loaded with the white flowers. Okay? Its branches were golden and silver fruits hang down from them. Its garden means the branches of the tree was in golden color and the fruit was loaded with a silver color. Okay? And underneath it stood a little boy. He had loved, and he saw and became very wonder why the boy was standing whom he helped to climb up the tree. Okay? So he became very wonder. Okay? Downstairs ran the giant in great joy and out in the garden. When the giant saw the boy who was standing, he became very happy and he ran towards the boy who was standing over there. He headed across the garden and came near to the child. He hastened मतलब आगे तेजी के साथ. He hastened यानी he moved very fastly towards the child where he was standing. And when he came quite close, his face grew red with anger. When the giant goes near the child, his face became very anger. And he asked, who had dared to wonder thee? Who stopped you to come here? Okay? For on the palm of the child's hands were printed of 2 nails. See here, and when he came quite, his face gave wonder. Okay? Who had dared, means who stopped you to come here? For on the palm of the child's hand, he saw. On the palm of the child's hand, there was 2 nails, okay, sign, and 2 nails sign also was on the little boy's feet. Okay? Who had dared to wound thee? Wound means, do you know how? Who had done this? Tell me. So the giant asked the child, who had done this? Okay? Tell me, that I may take my big sword and slay him. Slay means dead. So tell me who I have done with you. I will kill my sword, talwar. Okay? Again, nay, answered the child. So the child answered, nobody had done this. But these are the wounds of love. So this is the wound of love. Okay? Who art thou? Said the giant. So giant said, who made this art? Okay? And a stain away fell on him. And the stains, okay, The strange away means fearful fell on him and he knelt before the little child. The giant became very strange, wonder, and he lay down towards the boy. Okay? And the child smiled on the giant and said to him, the child looked the giant and began and laughed. Okay? And said, you let me play once in your garden, means you allow these children to play in your garden once again. Okay? Today you shall come with me to my garden. So, today you shall come with me in my garden, okay, which is paradise, which is full of enjoyment, okay, which are full of happy. And when the children ran in that afternoon, when the giant had gone with the little boy, okay, so the little boy is here represented as a nature, okay, so the nature has taken the giant, okay. So, and when the children ran in that afternoon, again the children returned from their school, they saw the strange things, they found the giant lying dead under the tree. The child who was playing with them, he was lying on the ground, under the tree, okay, all covered with white blooms, okay, and the body was covered with white bloom, white flowers. So we had the opportunity to meet the children, okay, we allow the children to play, we haven't stopped the children to play anywhere, okay. If they are happy, so we allow them to play, okay. So this is the story, and the main theme of the story is we love too much to the children, okay, because children are innocent and they need the enjoyment which they find from the garden, from the playing, from sharing their enjoyment with others. Okay, so thank you, have a nice day.